Union Budget 2024-25 was presented by which of the following? Amit Shah, Draupadi Murmu, Nirmala Sitharaman, Jagdeep Dhankar. And the correct answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. And the next question. The estimated net tax receipt for 2024-25 is 45.38 lakh crore, 25.83 lakh crore, 35.80 lakh crore to 27.30 lakh crore. And the correct answer is option number B, 25.83 lakh crore. And the next question is the total expenditure estimated in the Union Budget 2024-25 is 41.83 lakh crore, 40.88 lakh crore, 51.11 lakh crore, 48.21 lakh crore. And the correct answer is option number D, 48.21 lakh crore. Next question, what is the total amount allocated for the agriculture sector in the Union Budget 2024-25? 1.52 lakh crore, 2.32 lakh crore, 3.11 lakh crore, 2.40 lakh crore. And the correct answer is option number A, 1.52 lakh crore. Next question, what is the total amount allocated for the education sector and skill development in Budget 2024? 2.20 lakh crore, 1.48 lakh crore, 1.32 lakh crore, 2.58 lakh crore. And the correct answer is option number B, 1.48 lakh crore. Question number 6. How many rupees have been allocated to the Union Health Ministry? 88,000 crore, 95,000 crore, 80,000 crore, 90,000 crore. And the correct answer is option number D, 90,958 crore. Question number 7. How many rupees have been allocated for defense in Budget 2024-25 is? Option A, 6.21 lakh crore, 3.42 lakh crore, 4.11 lakh crore, 5 lakh crore. And the correct answer is option A, 6.21 lakh crore. Next question, what percentage of tax have been provided on income up to 3 lakh rupees? Option A, 3%, 5%, option C, 0%, option B, 10%. And the correct answer is option number C, 0%. Next question, what percentage of tax has been provided on income from 3 to 7 lakh rupees? 5%, 3%, 7%, 2%. And the correct answer is A, 5%. Next question, what percentage of tax has been provided on income from 7 to 10 lakh rupees? Option A, 5%, option B, 10%, option C, 20%, option D, 15%. And the correct answer is option number B, 10%. Next question, what percentage of tax have been provided on income from 10 to 12 lakh rupees? 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%. The correct answer is 15%. Next question, what percentage of tax have been provided on income from 12 to 15 lakh rupees? 15%, 20%, 25%, 30%. And the correct answer is option number B, 20%. Next question, what percentage of tax has been provided on income more than 15 lakh rupees? Option A, 10%, option B, 15%, option C, 20%, option D, 30%. And the correct answer is option number D, 30%. Question number 14 is, what is the total amount allocated for rural development in the budget 2024-25? And here is the options. The correct answer is option number C, 2.65 lakh crore. Next question, how many additional houses under the PM Awas Yojana in rural and urban areas in the century have been announced in budget 2024-25? The correct answer is option number A, 3 crore. Next question, what amount allocated for promoting women-led development in budget 2024-25? More than 4 lakh crore, 5 lakh crore, more than 3 lakh crore या 2 lakh crore? And the correct answer is option number C, more than 3 lakh crore. How many households obtain free electricity up to 300 units every month under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? 2 crore, 1 crore, 3 crore, 2.5 crore. And the correct answer is option number B, 1 crore. Next question, how many lakh of youth have been targeted to be skilled in the next 5 years? Option A, 13 lakh, option B, 10 lakh, option C, 25 lakh, option D, 20 lakh. Tell me the correct answer. And the correct answer is option number D, 20 lakh. Next, the government will launch a scheme to provide internship opportunity to 1 crore youth in top 500 companies. How many rupees per month allowance will be given? Here is the options, and the correct answer is rupees 5,000. How many additional houses have been announced to be built under the PM Awas Yojana? 1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore, 5 crores. The correct answer is 3 crores. Next question, how many rupees loan has been provided for higher education in the budget 2024-25? Option number A, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 15 lakh, 1 lakh. And the correct answer is option number B, 10 lakhs. And the next question is, how many youth have been targeted to be skilled for skill development in budget 2024? 20 lakhs, 15 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh. The correct answer is 20 lakhs. Question number 23, how many state provision has been made to issue new Kisan credit card in budget 2024-25? 10, 25 or all states? The correct answer is option number D, all states. The next question, how many rupees have been allocated for Manrega in the budget 2024-25? 68,000 crore, 86,000 crore, 56,000 crore, 65,000 crores. And the correct answer is option number B, 86,000 crores. How many villages will be benefited under the PM Janjati Unnat Gram Abhiyan in the budget 2024-25? 50,000, 53,000, 63,000, 60,000. And the correct answer is option number C, 63,000. Next question, what is the total amount allocated to increase the space economy fivefold in the next decade? 10,000 crore, 5,000 crore, 3,000 crore, 2,000 crore. The correct answer is 1,000 crore. Next question, which phase of PM Gram Sadak Yojana has been announced to connect 25,000 rural habitations? Phase 5, Phase 2, Phase 3 or Phase 4? And the correct answer is option number D, Phase 4. Next question, according to the budget 2024-25, which ministry got the highest amount of budget? Defense Ministry, Education, Rural Development or Health Ministry? And the correct answer is option number A, Defense Ministry. And here is the next question. How many units of electricity have been announced to be free every month under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana in the budget 2024-25? 600, 300, 200 or 100? And the correct answer is 300. Next question. Which tax was abolished in budget 2024-25? Income tax, capital gain tax, service tax, angel tax. Tell me the correct answer. And the correct answer is option number D, angel tax. Next question. According to the budget 2024-25, Indian government has been targeted to how many farmers add in natural farming? 2 crore, 1 crore, 3 crore or 4 crore? And the correct answer is 1 crore. 1 crore farmers have been targeted. Question number 32. What is the new limit of a standard deduction for salaried employed in budget 2024-25? 65,000, 60,000, 75,000, 70,000. And the correct answer is option number C, 75,000. And the last question is, recently in the budget 2024-25, the government launched a scheme, Purvodaya scheme, to focus on the development of eastern Indian states. How many states are targeted to be developed? 5, 4, 6, 7. The correct answer is 5.